Hello, scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with another new series. So my friend Desiree's Tales and we started a series last year, and we had to stop because both of us just got a little bit crazy busy, and it was about taking an image and creating something from that image, getting inspiration from that image. So we did a few layouts, and I had so much fun with that series. So I contacted her again this year, and I said, hey, do you want to start doing that series again? And she said, oh, I would love to do another series with you, but she really wanted to kind of change it up. So today we are going to be starting our Stashbash Take 10 series. So the idea of this series is to create a little mini kit and use it over the whole month. And the way we're going to do that is we are going to just take 10 items from our stash. So first off, I will show you the first few items of my kit. Now, each one of these is going to count as one item. This is the papers, and then I will move on and show you the other items. So this is how we are just doing it. We're trying to make making a kit at home from your stash easier for you. That's the goal behind this series. So instead of saying, okay, let's make a kit and letting you go, we're going to try to help make it easier. So first off, we want you to pick out papers. So I have this one from Amy Tangerine. This is from her Shine On collection. And this is actually, a lot of this kit is my November 2018 click kits, which I'm super excited about using because I didn't really use a ton of it because in November my life got crazy. So and then I have this piece of paper, which is also from Shine On. I believe all of these papers are from Shine On. I really love this side, but it's quite busy. So we'll see which side I end up using. Then we have this paper from Shine On. I like both sides on this paper. I'm not so sure if I'm going to use this side though. We'll see. It's really cute though. Then we have this one from Shine On. I love both of these sides. This blue stripe from Shine On. This gray polka dot, black and white polka dot. And then this orange, that's really pretty. But I kind of like the more neutral sides. And then this one, I'm not so sure about this one. If I'm going to keep this one in the kit, I might bring in a piece of cardstock or something like that in place of this one, because both sides of this one are just busy, super busy for me. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items so far. And I have 3 left. I actually went over by 1, so this kit is going to have 11 items. So there are the first 7. Then my next item is going to be the ephemera pack. So I decided to pull out my Wild Heart ephemera pack that I only used a little bit of. And I have a couple of scraps here too that I put in with the ephemera pack. But I'm just going to pull out some of these pieces. These are just scrap pieces of paper. This is actually from a different kit. I think that's an old Teresa Collins ephemera piece. So, and then this is part of the sticker sheet from Wild at Heart. But I'm just including all of these things as my item, my one item, which is the ephemera pack. And there's another piece from that same collection. Apparently I had used them together. There's another scrap piece of paper. And I think the word fun is in here. Yep. I found the F. So there's the word fun. Here's some more sticker sheet words and pieces. And some phrases from the sticker sheet. This is actually from Click Kits. I don't remember which kit that's from, but I thought it went perfect with the other leafy items. And then here's a couple of frames. This, I think I got this from a friend. I don't think that came with the kit. There's another scrap paper. And I'm just gonna keep all of these things together and still call it one item. So the ephemera pack and the sticker sheets count as one item. So there's a lot of ephemera here and a lot of little bits that I can totally work with. And we are going to make 3 layouts every month. And also part of the ephemera packs that I am including are these 2 extra alphas, just to kind of give me a little bit of a variety. This one is a tile alpha, and it's got kind of like a canvasy color or look on it. And this one is a gold with green color. And I thought those 2 went well with this ephemera pack. Okay, so that is item, let's see, so we have 7 sheets of paper. So number 8, also included with item number 8 in my ephemera pack, I am adding these puffy stickers by Amy Tangerine and these pretty little sequins. So I'm probably closer to, let's see, 7, 8, 9, 10 right now. The alpha I'm going to be using is this American Craft Stickers alpha called Twilight. I like that it has uppercase and lowercase and also numbers and then symbols and things. Then so this is 8, 9. Number 10, I'm going to use this Click Kits November 2018 printable, which I didn't use or cut up, so I am so excited to be using that. And then my 11th thing is going to be paper scraps. So I had this as part of the November kit that I didn't use up. I really liked the colors from this scrap. And then who can't live without corrugated paper, right? So there are 11 items that I am counting as my kit. So our first layout we will make and post next week. So every month we are going to post a new video every Monday. The first Monday of the month, we're going to do a kit share with our 10 items from our stash, or 11, maybe 12. And then oops, sorry about that. Then we are going to create 2 layouts. The first layout will be a sketch layout. So next week we will post a layout based on a sketch. The week after that is a freebie layout. We are just going to make whatever we want. And then the 3rd or the 4th week of the month and the 3rd layout or project we're going to be making is going to be a TN page with scraps. So we want to use as much of these papers up as we can in this kit, where we're only going to be making 2 full layouts. Probably it won't completely be killed, but we're pretty excited to get started with this and to get going on this. So I hope you'll come back next Monday and see what we make. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you again very soon. Bye.